Hello, my friends. Welcome to another job lead video. I know some positions I come across always require some kind of experience. Put down in the comments below what kind of experience you have and what kind of jobs you've worked in the past. So I don't want to waste anyone's time. We all have busy lives, so we're just going to jump on into what I have for you today. Reason 1 is hiring a digital account manager. And so as the role as a digital account manager will be creating and trusting long-term relationships with clients. You'll put your experience and ideas to work every day, seeking to nurture, support, and provide value to your clients. So in this role, you'll act as the main strategic and relationship point of contact for your clients in the portfolio that you are given. You'll need to build long-term relationships with those clients, address any queries effectively and timely that they have, and of course work closely with your clients, identify new opportunities for the client, and work with digital strategists and product owners to ensure that the team recommendations and work efforts align with what the client wants. So you need to stay up to date with digital technology trends and investigate and anticipate what your client is going to want. Now, their requirements for this position is having 5 years of digital account management experience in an agency environment, excellent written and oral communication skills, in-depth knowledge of website implementation and development, strong analytical and leadership skills, attention to detail, and they want you to kind of have experience using KPIs and working with CRM tools, and the ability to respond to issues with internal teams and clients. So nice to haves is a degree or related experience in business, marketing, communication, or related field, but a degree is not required. And so they kind of give a little bit of information about the day in the life of working for a digital account manager. It's fully remote, work from home contract position. You can be based anywhere in the United States or Canada, but they want you to be working in the Eastern time zone. You will have to collaborate across borders between US and Canada. So you must have work eligibility in the US or Canada. And so a little bit more about what they have posted regarding the compensation for this job is that they offer a highly competitive salary of $55,000 to $70,000. Of course, they offer a benefit package that includes health insurance, dental insurance, 401k plan, paid sick leave, and paid vacation leave. However, they do offer some benefits that not many companies offer. They offer professional development opportunities and including an allowance of $800 a year for education classes and training classes. They do provide you with a laptop and accessories such as keyboard, mouse, and 2 monitors. You'll get a work from home stipend of $50 a month for internet. So they will basically pay for your internet service every month. So you'll have free internet. And then every year they give you $200 to buy home office supplies. And they do occasionally do performance reviews and give raises. So if this looks like a great opportunity for you, I will leave the links in the description below as always so you can apply. And if you do apply, let us know. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.